Previously on Life on Jupiter, we sailed from Ile Sainte-Marie northbound over the northern cape of Madagascar and then down to the tourist destination of Nosy Be, where we met some exotic locals doing exotic things.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Why? I'm making a series stroke.
Nice color.
Pretty,
But I wish it's pink.
huh? Alright.
Can I see how you do it?
So this is for storm conditions or severe weather where we may go too fast down a wavefront surfing. We need to slow down. We throw out a line of this 150 cones. Each cone only has small load, maybe 20 kilos, and 150 of them has a huge amount of drag. So we just use some copy Dyneema from China, nice and strong. Tie 150 of them together.
So, did you count how many did you made already?
I think I've done nearly a third. I've done about 40 something.
Oh, yeah.
Takes a long time. But this one cost me total of about $1,000 in material. If I got a sail maker to make it, it would have been, with this high-tech rope, it would have been about $3,000. So it's good to do it yourself. And it's a lovely day for it. One problem I have is I don't have a beer though.
I think we're out of stock already.
I quit.
We're here in Sakatia, Nosy Sakatia.
We needed to start preparing the boat for our passage to South Africa. But first, we needed to meet our new crew. Introducing Tanya. She's a French-Mexican astrophysicist. She had just crewed across the Indian Ocean on a different boat and now needed a lift back home to South Africa. So, we've got crew, now we need fuel. And of course, fuel for the three of us. We got some lovely local produce, but you need to take precautions and give them a wash in a dilute solution of bleach, just to kill any bugs that might be in there. Once again, birds nesting in our boom told us that we'd been here too long. It was time to get going. So, after completing some last-minute repairs before we crossed the Mozambique Channel, there was one last celebration before we leave Madagascar. Our new cruising friends had guilted Princess into going back to work. After a drunkard evening, the next day's job was checkout at the Port Authority with Customs and Immigration. We were headed for South Africa. This process took a couple of hours, but we were entertained by a youngster with ambitions of being a Hell's Angel. After checking out, our plan was to sail southwest along the coast, coastal hopping, until the right weather window was open to cross the treacherous Mozambique Channel.
Police were actually considering transport on the line.
Have fun in Africa. Whilst waiting for a weather window, we visited the Bay of Maromba with its spectacular baobab trees. We could really start to see Africa now. Join us next week as we cross the treacherous Mozambique Channel to South Africa.